the other side.
Okay. Ezekiel, I have two very short questions. One, there are a lot of secondary schools that have been built using CDF. A lot of them, probably you when you're MP in your area, you built new ones. But the ministry, especially during Magoha's time, he refused to register secondary schools. And those schools are there. Kids are gone through Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, Form 4, but they have to do exams in another school because that school has not been registered. Because there is a moratorium that you cannot register new schools. Yet, population in this country keeps on increasing. New kids want to reduce distance from home to school, but the ministry has been an impediment towards registration of new schools. What are you going to do about that? And secondly, I want to also talk about universities just a little bit. Usually universities receive expenditure estimates from the budget, and they are allocated 100 million, but the ministry only ends up sending 30 million to that university. The rest of the money, we do not know where the money is going. Universities are collapsing in this country. As you take leadership in that ministry, I hope you will not be that one who only goes to primary schools, a professor who goes to primary schools and supervises primary schools and leaves universities to die. What are you going to do to give the universities in this country a new face, a new energy, and a new eager? And then lastly, on the issue of the sweeping laws, which were actually withdrawn at Parliament, where minister wants to appoint vice chancellors, he wants to be in charge of all universities in this country. Do you still want to bring these laws, or will you withdraw them? Will you give vice chancellors an opportunity to manage universities without interference and stop sending girlfriends to be members of council of universities? Thank you.